Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P0793 indicates an issue with the intermediate shaft speed sensor A circuit in the Honda Accord models manufactured between 2012 and 2017. Specifically, this error arises when the continuous variable transmission (CVT) drive pulley speed sensor fails to send any signals to the powertrain control module, PCM, which is crucial for vehicle operation. The CVT drive pulley speed sensor is located externally on the end cover of the transmission and is responsible for detecting the revolutions of the drive pulley gear. The PCM relies on the pulsing signals from this sensor to convert them into measured drive pulley speed. When there are no pulses detected while the drive pulley is in motion, the PCM detects this malfunction and thereby stores the DTC code P0793, indicating a problem within the circuit of the sensor. Understanding this code and its implications is vital for proper diagnostic and repair procedures. The CVT drive pulley speed sensor plays a pivotal role in monitoring the speed of the drive pulley and subsequently relays this information to the PCM. This sensor is affixed to the external end cover of the CVT and is essential for measuring the rotating speed of the drive pulley. When the pulley rotates, the sensor generates pulsing signals that the PCM translates into drive pulley speed. If the sensor malfunctions, as detected by the absence of these pulses, the PCM reasons that there is an issue possibly linked to an open circuit, short to ground, or a sensor failure. This communication between the sensor and the PCM is crucial as it helps to determine the functioning of the entire transmission system. Furthermore, the relationship between the drive pulley speed sensor and the torque converter turbine speed sensor enhances the accuracy of speed measurements, allowing for efficient vehicle performance. Several potential causes could lead to the DTC P0793 being triggered. One predominant issue could be an open line in the CVT drive pulley speed sensor circuit. This can occur due to a loose connector or complete disconnection, leading to failure in the signal transmission between the sensor and PCM. Additionally, a short to ground could disrupt the electrical flow, causing the sensor to not send necessary signals. Another possible cause might be a failure of the CVT drive pulley speed sensor itself, where the components inside the sensor become impaired, resulting in no signal generation. Lastly, the PCM may also experience internal circuit failure, preventing it from recognizing the signals effectively, thus contributing to the error code. It's essential to conduct a thorough diagnostic to identify which of these issues is present. When the DTC P0793 is present, drivers may notice several symptoms which indicate transmission-related problems. A primary symptom is the illumination of the malfunction indicator light, MIL, a warning sign on the dashboard that alerts the driver to a fault within the vehicle systems. Concurrently, the automatic transmission AT gear position indicator may begin to blink, signaling an error condition associated with the transmission. Additionally, drivers may experience noticeable drive performance issues, such as erratic shifting or a lack of power under acceleration, directly linked to the lack of proper signals from the CVT drive pulley speed sensor. Recognizing these symptoms early on is critical to preventing further damage and ensuring a timely repair process. To begin troubleshooting the DTC P0793, the first step necessitates starting the vehicle's engine. This is an essential procedure in order to power up all critical systems, allowing diagnostic tools to assess the current status and functionality of the transmission components. Following this, the next critical action involves driving the vehicle at a speed of 19 miles per hour, 30 kilometers per hour, or higher for a duration of at least 30 seconds. This operational condition is crucial as it enables the continuous monitoring of the vehicle's performance and allows the onboard systems, including the PCM, to assess whether the sensor is providing valid speed information. Performing this step is significant because it guarantees that the vehicle is in a real-world driving scenario where it can accurately reflect any underlying issues related to the sensor's performance. During the second step of troubleshooting the DTC P0793, it is vital to monitor the diagnostic scan tool, which provides real-time data regarding the vehicle's performance and any detected faults. By accessing the diagnostic tool with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, technicians can effectively review any stored DTCs that may have appeared during the vehicle's operation. This inspection is critical, as it may reveal not only the P0793 DTC, but also any additional codes present, which can aid significantly in diagnosing underlying issues. Recognizing if there are related trouble codes like P0501, P0502, P0716, or P0717 is particularly helpful, as these codes may correlate to transmission or speed sensing issues, guiding the technician towards a holistic understanding of the problem. After completing the required repairs based on the diagnostic results, it is imperative to verify that the repair was successful. The first action in the final repair verification process is to clear all DTCs using the diagnostic scan tool. This step resets the PCM's memory and allows for a fresh evaluation of the vehicle's performance post-repair. Subsequently, it is crucial to monitor the vehicle's operation during a test drive, ensuring that it returns to normal functionality without reactivating the P0793 code or exhibiting any symptoms associated with the previous issue. This monitoring process not only reassures the technician of the repairs, but also confirms the integrity of the vehicle's operational systems, ensuring that the fix is lasting and effective before the vehicle is returned to the owner. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P0793, implementing a robust preventive maintenance strategy is essential. Regular inspections of the CVT drive pulley speed sensor are recommended to ascertain its functionality and to detect any signs of wear or damage that could lead to a failure. It is also beneficial to maintain good electrical connections within the sensor circuit to prevent open or short circuits, which are common causes of errors. Keeping connectors clean and ensuring they are tightly fitted can mitigate the risk of intermittent faults. Conducting scheduled maintenance cleanings and checks can help the vehicle operate optimally, further reducing the risk of sensor issues and prolonging the life of the transmission components. Ultimately, proactive measures can serve as cost-effective strategies in avoiding potential malfunctions down the road. In conclusion, the DTC P0793 serves as an important indicator of potential malfunction within the intermediate shaft speed sensor circuit of the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. Grasping the implications of this code is foundational for all technicians, as it signifies an issue that could lead to substantial transmission problems if left unchecked. It's crucial to employ thorough diagnostic procedures to pinpoint the exact cause and attend to repairs promptly, whether that relates to sensor failure or issues within the PCM. Further, emphasizing preventive maintenance helps in ensuring the longevity and functionality of the vehicle's transmission system. As with most automotive issues, recognizing problems early and taking proactive measures will lead to better performance and reliability for the driver. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.